Welcome to UniVoyage, and I am Harshal Gaba, and today in this video we'll be walking you through the process of registering yourself for IIM Indore IPM program, and enjoy the video. So we are here at IIM Indore's official website, and here if we go into programs and click on academic programs, there is a whole list of programs, and we will be registering for integrated program in management 5-year, and we'll click on that, and in this tab here we'll go to admissions, and we will go to online registration to get user ID and password for new applicants. So here it's loading, and here are the requirements to fill the form. So this is pretty basic stuff, and you all know this. And use mouse to move between field marked with asterisks are mandatory, obviously. Candidate has to fill form in below mentioned details. It's simple stuff. Close. So these are all the documents that will be required to get your user ID and password. So name of the candidate, for example, I'll enter here Harshal, and gender male. Category, for me it will be general, for you it will depend. Person with PWD, no. Date of birth, it will be 2002 August 9th for me. And as we mentioned in a all about IPM, like the detailed video, there also it was mentioned that you have to have been born after August 9 2001, so 1st August 2001. So like there it's like the maximum age you can be to register for this program. So that's that. So anyone born before that will not be able to appear for the exam. So here it will be email ID, and I will enter mine, harshalbro@gmail.com. confirm email address, gmail.com. Nationality Indian, country of residence India, mobile numbers, and here we will just enter the captcha 3XVT1EA and agree and submit. Okay, so here is my application number, and I think I'm supposed to get my password on my phone. So like basically this is it. So now your registration basically like for that part is done. Now you will again go to the IIM Indore website and just keep this tab open because you'll need it for further use, and then you will go into IPM program, admissions, and then you will log in. So we need to paste this application number right here in here, and password I don't want to save this. So like this, and fill the application form. Okay, so like here you have to fill the application form, so just and close. And here are basically all the other details that you need to enter. So for like you need to enter your father's name, so I'll enter my father's name, Navneet Gaba, and basically the address, line 112A Doctors Colony, state, mine is Rajasthan, Jaipur, district, pin code 302021, email address alternate, I don't want to enter an alternate email address, neither this. So now like you need to upload your scanned copy of photograph and signature. I don't have that currently, so I will be just uploading any file over here. So maybe like this. So like this is my signature photo, so here it is, and I'll just be uploading both the files. So because I don't have all my like files saved from my earlier application, so that's why I'm having to upload these. And ID proof, same goes for the ID proof. I'll just paste the signature and I'll close it and click save and next. Okay, so now like here here is the important thing. So like it's the 10th mark sheet and 12th mark sheet. So for 12th I can just select no. So basically like candidates who are likely to complete 12th class by the end of July 31st can apply and like submit their form by that date. So like you don't have to worry about this for now if you are currently still in 12th. If you have this, then just click on yes and submit your details. And course type is 12th diploma, and like here I will just select mine. So for me it was Central Board of Secondary Education. Same goes for 12th. Like for me 10th marks were 80 point something percent, and it was 12th, and school name was Bridgecourt High School, and year of completion for me was 2016. I think it was 2016. No, should be 2018, I think. Yes, 2018. And here we have to upload the mark sheet, so I will still just be uploading my signature. And discipline is commerce, and school I will just enter MPS International, and I'll just click on save and next. Okay, I have to upload a PDF for it, so maybe I'll just upload this file right here and close. And then I'll just click on save and next, and it's pretty straightforward from here. And then it's like entering your preferred city, your city for center. So like I will obviously enter for Jaipur, but it depends where are you from. So like you can enter 5 cities. So for me first is Jaipur, and then I'll just select randomly, but you shouldn't select randomly because it like if there is some problem in your city, then maybe you'll have to travel to another city to appear for the exam. So enter in that sequence, but it doesn't matter. Most of the times you just get your preferred city. So like at the end here, just payment of 4,130 required, and then just click on I agree, enter the captcha and make the payment, and I click on this agree. So basically like that is the whole procedure for registering for IIM Indore. It's just pretty straightforward, nothing too big. But like yes, for like first time when you submit, it's a bit intimidating. Like you have to collect all these forms, but it's nothing. All you need is your photograph, your proof, like maybe your Aadhaar card, your signature, and your 10th mark sheet. There's not much that you need. So like don't be intimidated by this, and just take it easy and prepare for your exams, and we hope to see you here with us next year. And yes, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to UniVoyage, and I'm out.